Welcome to Designs on Digital Learning for the week of April 1st. Please follow @DigitalHornets on Twitter and click subscribe to get our updates on YouTube. Welcome to the week of April 1st in digital learning in North Reading. As we move into spring, we have several exciting topics this week. I will include important links and notes in the video description. This week we are finalizing preparations for Parent University on this coming Saturday. I am presenting a session which provides a detailed overview of our one-to-one program, and other digital learning presentations will include a website design and development with Kathy Dashow and an elementary presentation on digital learning with Christine Lindsay. Superintendent Bernard does a fantastic job with this event, and it is a must-see and attend. I will include a registration link within the description of this video. On April 29th, North Reading Public Schools is hosting a Maple Learning Tour. We are currently in preparation for the upcoming Learning Tour, in which we will be sharing North Reading's work with personalized learning across a range of middle school and high school classrooms. This tour will feature our work with the one-to-one program, as well as our work expanding personalized learning strategies and STEAM program development. TechBuzz Professional Development Update sessions for April. The first week of April will feature a session from Sam Anthony at the Hood on Digitizing the Daily 5, a session in which Sam will be providing resources and tools to support student engagement in core subject areas with digital tools. This will be on April 1st. Helen Kelley will be holding a Makerspace 1 session at the Little School on April 3rd, in which she will support the creation of Makerspace lessons and resources. These sessions are always open to teachers from across schools to attend, and please sign up in My Learning Plan. Computer-based Mcas testing at the high school. Last week, the high school 10th graders were part of a highly successful computer-based testing experience. The digital learning team and high school staff and administration have a lot to be proud of as we implemented this new testing requirement seamlessly within the school. Many thanks to all who supported this project. Tech Alliance Student Tech Program. This is a group that we formerly called Change Team. Students are working on developing a stair-climbing robot project and will look forward to presenting their project at an upcoming technology conference in the fall. Students are also exploring the Unity game programming engine to create their own games. Keep an eye out for videos exploring these topics in the near future and interviews with the students. The Digital Learning Blog. The March post to the Digital Learning blog was made by Christine Lindsay at the Batchelder School, who has written about the implementation of the 3D printer at the school Makerspace and some of the student projects they have worked on. I'll include the link within the description. Find the article here. Those are our updates for April 1st in the North Reading Public Schools digital learning. Thank you.